Minecraft, but I can't touch green. So guys, our goal today is to find an emerald in this ugly village. So let me just never touch green because the video ends. Okay, perfect. We did not touch green. So let's see this house. No, there's no chest. Maybe another house. Let me see. Whoa, design this house, bro. Like, it's so ugly. Where the village is? Oh, where's the other village, bro? Iron Golem is just one, and that village is two. Oh, let me see. Oh, it's down there. Let me just jump right here. Boom. Okay, so jump. Let's see. Our goal is emerald. If we touch green, we're dying. Ah! Oh my god, let's see just. Oh my god, emerald! So guys, thank you for watching.